Hey friends, today we're doing manual trading based on strategy, no bot, just my personal analysis and entry logic. We'll break down trends, ranges, and I'll explain how to enter with precision, even in tough market conditions. Before we begin, if you're not in my Telegram channel yet, you're seriously missing out. Every day I post live trades, detailed analysis, signals, and deposit growth sessions. No fluff, no course sales, only what works. Starting deposit today, $1,500. We're opening 1-minute trades, each one using a third of the deposit. First trade, $500, and we'll increase the amount as we go. I'm opening the first trade down, and while it runs, I'll explain why. Trade down with the trend. The overall trend is clearly bearish. You can see it with the naked eye. Each new high is lower than the previous one. Price hit a local high, so I opened a trade down. And here's the first plus $380. I raised the amount to $600. Next pair, Canadian dollars per Japanese yen, good payout rate. I enter a sell trade. Here I see a trend break. It was upward, but after a head and shoulders reversal, price broke the previous low. Lows and highs are now forming lower, a clear entry signal. First trade ends in a loss, but I immediately go in with a recovery. And it lands in profit just as expected. Basic analysis works. Next, GBP/USD. I invest $800 in a sell. Here's an interesting setup, a break of a historical support level. All price action tends to correct near strong support resistance zones. This trade ends in a loss. Let's break it down. Price was still in a kind of accumulation range, but broke out of the bottom with a false move. I opened a recovery trade upward because I saw a textbook range deviation. The trade closes in profit. Balance $3,100. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing manually every time, I've got a trading bot that does it for you. It detects trends, shows entry zones, and gives signals based on algorithmic logic. And it works across 5 markets: crypto, forex, commodities, stocks, and OTC. Even beginners can trade with it. Link in the description. Next trade, Ethereum. A clear downward channel, but I'm entering UP. Why? Even though the channel is bearish, price is at the lower boundary plus close to a key support level, signaling a potential upward correction. I caught the correction and earned another $920. That's all for today. Balance, already $4,000. Pure manual analysis, strategy, logic, and discipline. If you want to understand charts as clearly as I do, and as my bot does, I've created a course on strategies and indicators. It's simple, clear, and instantly applicable in practice. Want to level up? Message me on Telegram. Links are in the description, along with access to the VIP group, daily signals, and full support. See you in the next video.